First of all, tankless water heaters are awesome and they work for a lot of different applications. In the area that we live, typically we're talking about a gas tankless water heater, especially if it's for your whole home. They do make some electric tankless water heaters that are great for just a shop sink or a sink that is not used all the time. Typically, we don't have the right weather pattern for an electric tankless water heater to do all of your home's hot water. Now, when it comes to tankless water heaters, one of the things that you should also consider is a lot of times they're advertised as a really energy savings device. And in some ways they are, but also in some ways they're not. They do produce hot water at the most energy efficient means. However, what happens when you have a tankless water heater in your home, what most people realize is they actually live different with that tankless water heater, meaning they take more showers, they take longer showers, they enjoy that much more, which means you're using a lot more hot water, and typically it negates any type of energy savings. I just want to share that with you because that's what most people realize. They love them, but they also take longer showers, more of them, and that's just the trade-off for it. So you enjoy your home a lot more with these. Now, other things to consider are life expectancy. Tankless water heaters, when installed properly and taken care of, are some of our longest lasting water heaters out there. They typically last 2 to 3 times longer than a traditional tank water heater. And again, that's all based on how they're installed and how well they're taken care of. So when I say installed, there are some very proper things that need to be done. One is making sure that we've got the right amount of gas feeding it, the right amount of water, that we've got good clean water, and that we have a good way to take care of your tankless water heater. Now, water quality is a big deal. So if you happen to live where you have hard water, whether you're on a city or in a well, or you have a lot of other things like rust or iron type things in your water, those things want to be treated before you put into a tankless water heater. It's not like a traditional tank water heater where they have 40 or 50 gallons of space inside of there that if you had a lot of sediment, it's not going to drastically hurt the system for a long time. Tankless water heaters, there's not a lot of room in there. So we want to make sure everything that we're sending through there is really, really clean. And then finally, just annual maintenance on these items to make sure that they're running safe, that all the sensors and everything inside of it are doing exactly what they should. It's a great system and they'll last for a long time as long as they're installed right and taken care of. For more information, or if you want to look at having a tankless water heater in your home, just give us a call.